Hello friends, welcome on SSB Geek. Today I'm here with story number 6. Observe the picture carefully and note down the important points like age, sex, mood and background of the story. This is a perfect sample of a hazy picture. Moving ahead, what I have observed from the picture is two female character, one male character. The bigger circle shows the main character, two are in neutral mode and one is in positive mode. Starting with the narration part, action of my story is hard work and dedication brings success. The picture shown to us, I perceive three characters. Mother and father is in neutral mode and lies in the age group of 40 to 55, while Sita is in positive mode and having age between 20 to 25. Sita hails from a village background and her father is a farmer. She was a very bright student and always wanted to study further. However, due to the financial condition of her father and also the lack of facilities in the village, she was unable to pursue her studies till one day she learned of a scholarship examination being conducted by an educational institution. She appeared in the exam, stood first and got full scholarship to study medicine. Through hard work and determination, she completed her education and came back to her village to serve the poor and needy. She also regularly influences other poor students to do well in the life. What are the qualities that are being revealed in this story is this story reflects intelligence, hard work, determination, strong sense of responsibility towards poor and needy. The story also reflects the ability to influence and inspire others. That's all for today. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment and subscribe. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Have a good day.